up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna create another Halloween look. This has got to be one of my favorite looks I have ever created. Check out my headband though. Isn't it super cute? For this look, I have to prep my skin. So I'm gonna take the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Coming to this look, I was looking for inspiration and motivation on Instagram, Pinterest, Google, like we all do. And I follow this amazingly talented makeup artist called Jordan Liberty. I don't know if you've heard about him, but he is so talented. And I'm also following this cosmetic brand called Melt Cosmetics, and they had created so he basically created this look using Melt Cosmetics, and it was so beautiful. Okay, he did this diamond sugar skull that he creates regularly, I think like every year, and then he brings out different variations of it. And I saw this picture and I was so awestruck. Like, it was so breathtaking, you guys. I was like, I have to create this look. I have to recreate this look and make it my own. So I'm giving credit to Jordan for this. 100% the credit goes to him, because I was inspired by this on a different level altogether. There are many skull videos on the net, you guys, but when I saw this, I knew this was it. I'm gonna take the Huda Beauty loose powder and I'm just gonna set my foundation. This is in the shade Banana Bread, and I'm just gonna set it. Yeah. I'm going to take my Ofra eyebrow pencil. I'm just going to outline what I want to fill in later on. That's why I'm taking a brow pencil, because it's really light, and I'm not showing you how I did the jaw because I am going to erase it later and like redo it again because I'm not happy with it. So that's why I skipped that part, and I'm just drawing two big circles around my eye, which I'm going to fill in later. I'm gonna take this blue color base from Kryolan as well, and I'm gonna start filling in both the circles. It's so important to be inspired by makeup artists and like people you follow in general if you're a makeup lover like me, because sometimes we get stuck in a rut, you know, we get stuck looking at the same things again and again, and you need someone or some people or some post that you can see and be completely fueled by it, and that's what this post and picture did for me. So yeah, I hope all your people that you're following are really inspirational and give you some sort of a kick to create new looks every time. It's very important, especially for me. Okay, I'm so excited because I got this James Charles and Morphe palette. I know I'm too late, but this amazing Instagram account sent this to me. I'm going to leave their handle down below so you can check them out. They deliver international makeup to India, which is great. This can be your like go-to palette. Look at all the colors that are available in this. It's so amazing. I'm going to pick that blue color right there, and I'm just going to set the foundation. I'm going to set the base that I put on my eye, because it has a little bit of a creamy consistency, and I want to make sure that it is nicely powdered down. I somehow realized that this could not be completely powdered down. It is giving me that satin finish, which I'm also not mad about. I really like how it's looking. I'm gonna take the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette, and I'm picking up that dark blue color, and I'm just adding that on the same parts. I just thought it would just, you know, add or give a little bit more depth because it's a deeper, darker blue, but it seems like it didn't do much to the eye. It just gave like a nice matte finish. I'm gonna take the NYX eyeliner and I'm just going to draw the nose, and I did erase the whole nose and do it again because here I always get stuck. Yeah, the nose is very, very tricky for me. I'm just like, where do I draw the two lines? And finally I came to this conclusion. So yeah, this is my final skull nose. I'm gonna pick up this black base from Kryolan and I'm gonna map out what I already drew earlier, but I erased this, so don't follow this. I'm just showing you that I was not happy with the jaw. It looked more goofy and I wanted it to look more like chic and more like a prettier skull, so it needed a more cleaner jaw, according to me. And so I got rid of it and then I redid it once again. Makeup is great, you guys. You can remove it anytime you want. So yeah, I just took it up in a point, like you can see, and I dragged it up. So this would be simple for you guys to do if you're doing it for the first time. Just up and back all the way. So I was really happy with this. I was like, this is giving me a very, very nice skull vibe. Now I'm gonna take my black, the same thing, the black base, and I'm just gonna start shading in. This gives the illusion of like a hollow jaw. I picked up these paint brushes from like a regular stationery store. You might not want to use your makeup brushes because but even if you wash the brushes, they don't really go away completely. So you want to make sure you are picking up these inexpensive paint brushes. They're for like 30 bucks and 100 bucks. It depends on the size of the brushes. So I'm glad I got these actually because they came in different shapes and sizes, so I could actually use different brushes for different parts of my face. I'm gonna pick up that purpley lavender pink color, lavender color I guess, and I'm just gonna put that on my forehead. Again, you can pick any color you want if you're recreating this look. You know, just play around with colors. Everything could be a different color. It could be a whole different look. Make it your own. So Jordan put teal there, but I was like, you know what, maybe I'll play around with a little bit of purple. I'm obsessed with purple. I love the color purple and teal. They're my most favorite colors to look at. So yeah, I'm putting a little bit of the lavender on my cheek as well and blending it really well. You want to make sure that it's not like patchy or there are no harsh lines. So make sure you're spending time on the blending part. Now I'm gonna pick up this aqua color. Like, this is the color. Oh my goodness. I'm putting that on the jaw, like right below the jaw. It just gives me this different skull look. And I saw Jordan do it, so I'm like, I'm gonna do it. Now I'm gonna take the same color and I'm gonna create a goatee on my chin. I think this is a great idea to do because I feel like every step that I did in this tutorial felt important. If I had skipped this goatee, it would have looked completely different. So I feel like these little things make a difference to your look, you know. So make sure you're adding those little bit of details. And now it might look really plain and boring and like, where is she taking this look, you guys? Like, what is she basically doing? But trust me, it's gonna come together. I'm gonna take those bright colors, that orange and red, and I'm just gonna mix the two and apply it at the outer corner. I just went ahead with whatever that I was feeling at that point. I'm just like, you know what, I'm just gonna take any color that I want and just apply it, and we'll see what happens later. So feel free to play around with colors. Yeah, so I picked up these small little details, like these tiny little sequences at stationery stores, and I just walked around honestly and I asked for these sequences. They give you like a big dabba and they ask you to choose what you want. Usually you get these in stationery shops, you guys. I'm taking this MAC, I think eyeliner. It's called Fascinating, I believe. It's from MAC Cosmetics. I'm just putting that in my waterline for that doll eye look. And I just picked up these stickers and stuff, like I said, from the stationery. And you know, they're these mobile stickers you can stick on your laptop and stuff like that. So I just picked up whatever I thought that would go with this look. So I added this, but I was not happy with it, so I thought I'll add some pearls to it, like, you know. So I had these stickers, then I put it all over. And trust me, this takes a lot of time because firstly I have long nails, so it was very difficult. And you just have to be very, very patient when you're doing this, because even if one pearl is out of line, it's gonna look very, very off. This look has to be very symmetrical, very like clean. So I was taking my time, and with the power of editing, you cannot see how much time I took, but it took a while to do this. And I'm feeling myself right now. You want to add eyelash glue for things that don't have a sticky base, and you want to make sure it's a little bit tacky, and then you want to stick it to your face. Like this I'm putting on my forehead right now does not have a sticky base. These are just like sequences, yeah, that you just use for arts and crafts, I guess. So yeah, there are these other things that I picked up that look like this, like a mirrory effect, and I thought it would look great in this look. So this has a sticky base. I'm just gonna stick it in my on my jaw. It gave me like this really cool sharp jaw look. I was really feeling myself by the end of it. I'm just like, you know what, this is coming together. Jordan had used like really beautiful diamonds and stuff. I could not find those for the life of me. I could not find sequences in the market. I don't know why they're not available, but yeah, I just made it work, you guys, using my own brain, using my own imagination, and everything that was available to me, basically. Okay, so now for the teeth, you want to make sure you are drawing the lines very precisely, and you want to make sure you're paying attention for this one, because if you make it crooked or something, you have to like erase it and start over again, because it's not one of those messy, unruly, scruffy skulls. It's this very clean, chic, pretty skull. So you want to make sure that your skull has used Invisalign and has got your teeth straightened out, I guess. Now I'm going to pick up this black color, and I'm going to start shading it in the inner parts of my lip. This is going to just give you that very deathly effect as well, and also just create that hollowness. For lashes, I'm going to take the Rufa Beauty lashes in Nora. My favorite pair of lashes at the moment. They're so pretty. Rufa has some great lashes, you guys. Yeah, I'm just darkening up the parts where I think needs a little bit of touching up. You always want to go back, even with like normal makeup, you always want to go back with your colors, and you want to retouch it. Make sure you're perfecting it to the best of your abilities, so that you don't have to work on the pictures later on. So yeah, I just go back with all the colors and make sure they look vibrant and beautiful, and they're not faded off. Now I picked up these, I don't know what they're called, but you stick this on the sari border and your dupatta border. So I went to those stores, and I literally told him to show me everything he had, and I picked up these beautiful, intricate little, not little, but like, they're so pretty. They have like diamonds in the middle in the shape of a flower, and I thought this would complement the look so much. And yeah, I'm just sticking this on the sides of my face. So you know what I'm saying, like, you can pick up, just find inspiration around you. Like whatever was available to me is what I used. And yeah, this is the final look. I'm just gonna put on my wig in 3, 2, 1. So this is the wig I got from Shein. Again, very, very good quality wigs, you guys. And these are these jewelry pieces I got. I'm gonna name all the Instagram accounts that send this to me at some point. The pearl necklace I got from my mom. And yeah, I look like a bedazzled, jeweled princess. skull princess. And you thought I was done, but I was not. For the final touch, this is a crown that needs to be added on my head, and voila! This is a DIY crown made by my mom. Can you believe it? Like, she is so talented. Like, if I need anything for arts and crafts, like in that department, I run to her because she is so creative. She collects these little beautiful pieces, like, you know, the small tiny roses, those flowers, everything she collects and keeps, and then she just created this from scratch. Look at the detailing, you guys. She was really sad that she didn't film this. She had no idea it would turn out so pretty, to be honest with you. But yeah, I love you, Mom. Thank you for this. This is beautiful, and without this, I don't think the look would even be complete. So yeah, this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you do recreate this look, you know what to do. Please tag me. I'm going to repost you in this. Thank you so much for supporting me in all my Halloween looks and generally as well. I love you all so much. I really hope you found inspiration watching this tutorial. I love you, my babies, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.